IdeaHub is pre-installed with frequently used Office apps, such as browsers, which allows you to search for information at any time and make annotations. In addition, IdeaHub also features a built-in Huawei AppGallery, covering Office, news, and video recording. IdeaHub provides a customizable homepage where you can add, or remove frequently used apps. Connect to OPS computer when you need to run large-scale Windows Office applications for dual system switchover. Ideal for conference rooms and mobile office scenarios. Huawei IdeaHub is combined with third-party conference platforms such as Zoom, Webex, and Teams. Provides reliable collaboration for internal departments and even across enterprises.